It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BIEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've done this analysis quite a few times, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And want to get things updated here as we start a new week. And the chart is actually at a very interesting spot, and that spot is right here at 0025. I realize this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos I've done, but if you have, then you know I've talked about 0025 quite a bit, and the price is sitting right at that level. In fact, the price for the majority of the day was up above that level, and then the late afternoon, price action happened, and the price did pull back here a little bit. So now it's sitting essentially right at that level. And, it can really go either way. Some people might want to call this a level of support, but I'm still going to call it a level of resistance. And the big question for me going into tomorrow is, can the bulls get a true break? A true break. Now, true break has two parts. The first part is always the obvious one. Well, yeah, the price has to break above a level. But the second part is, can the price maintain above the break? And that's kind of the crappy thing about today is, for the most part, the bulls are doing a fantastic job with part two of that. They were maintaining above the break, maintaining above the break. And then, as I already pointed out, late afternoon happened, and the price is essentially right back at that point. So I'm not quite convinced. I'm not saying that it's guaranteed to fall downwards. Who knows? Maybe this is the true break, and tomorrow it'll be up at 0031, and I'll look silly because I'm sitting here talking about, was this a true break or isn't it? So I'm still skeptical, but we'll just have to see what happens. And that's really the main thing that I'm keeping an eye on going into tomorrow. And the question is this truly, is this truly the beginning of something bigger, or is this just kind of a quick knee-jerk reaction? As far as if the price can continue to separate to the upside, the next key battleground to keep an eye on is going to be up there at 0028. So 0025, still that key level of resistance that I don't see if the price can maintain above. And if it can, then next public enemy number one up there at 0028. So a good start to the week, no doubt about that. Now it's just the question mark for me of, is this the beginning of something bigger? Is this truly a break of 0025 or a fake break? We'll see what happens. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interest in and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.